Club Express Contact Log for Villages. Club Express provides a number of features designed specifically for aging-in-place villages. This video looks at the contact log function. This can be used to track every contact with members and non-members, whether by phone, email, fax, letter, or other method. Contacts can be assigned a category, priority, status, and responsible staff person, and there are management screens and reports. We're currently logged in as an administrator. To access the contact log for members, go to the Control Panel, Member Manager. To access the contact log for non-members, go to the Control Panel, Non-Member Database. When you search for the member in the Member Manager, a grid shows you the filtered results set. Clicking the member's log icon allows you to view and maintain log entries for this member. Use the search options at the top to filter the list by open contacts only, closed contacts only, or all contacts. You can also control the sort order from among 4 options. Click the search button to refresh the list. For each contact, the screen shows the date, subject, responsible staffer, contact type, contact category, status, and priority. Click the edit icon to modify an existing contract, or click the delete icon to remove a contact entry. You can click the export button to export a CSV list of closed contacts within a specific date range for this member. To add a new contact entry, click the Add Contact button. Because you created this contact from within a member's profile, the member name is already filled in. The following fields are available: the initial contact log date. If you enter a follow-up date, the system will create an open follow-up entry in the contact log. It's coded as CLF/U to indicate that it came from the contact log versus the service request follow-up, which is coded as an SRF/U to indicate that it came from the service request function. If you leave it blank, a follow-up entry is not created. Select an option from the contact drop-down list. All basic contact types should be available, but let Club Express know if you need an additional type added. Contact category is used for reports. The system includes a number of built-in categories, but you can add your own. A subject is required, and optionally a description. You can click the spell check button to check your spelling in the description field. Status can be either open or closed. Priority can be urgent, high, medium, or low. And use the responsible staffer option to track who's responsible for handling this issue or for following up with the member. Click Save to save the new contact log entry and return to the main listing, or Cancel to return without saving. When you click Save using this example, 2 contact log entries are created, one for the initial log entry, which is flagged based on the status, and another for the follow-up entry, flagged as CLF/U for contact log follow-up, and that's always created with the status of open. When you click the edit icon, the same screen is shown with the additional information of when the contact was last edited. Click Return to Previous Page to return to the Member Manager. The Member Manager screen also has an Open Log Entries button. Clicking this button displays a similar grid showing all open contact log entries, together with some additional functions. The search panel has some additional options to help narrow the list, but otherwise it behaves the same as the search panel for an individual member. The grid has the same columns, with an addition in column 1, the member for whom the contact log was created. Note that only open contact log entries are shown. For example, the original log entry for the contact we just created is not shown because it has been closed. Only the open follow-up entry is shown. Click the Contact Categories button to modify your contact categories. The system includes a number of built-in categories that can't be changed. You can also add your own categories by clicking the Add Contact Category button. Categories can be edited and deleted if they've not been used. Click the Responsible Staffers button to define the list of members, who are usually staff people and volunteers, who are responsible for following up on open log entries. Note that in the Club Express model, everyone who works at a village and who needs some level of admin or coordinator access to the member data must be in the membership database, perhaps with a special member type, for example, staff. Click the Add Responsible Staffer button to display the standard Club Express member selector. You only need to enter the first few letters of the last name and press Enter to see a list of matching members. Select one, then click Select to add that staff member, or Cancel to close without making a selection. Responsible staffers are also used when creating and managing service requests, office time requests, and service provider vettings. This same screen is available in the Service Request function. Click the Add Contact Log Entry button to add a new contact log entry. Because you displayed this dialog from the Open Log Entries screen, the member name is not pre-filled in and you need to select it. Click the Select Member to display the member selector. Otherwise, this dialog behaves the same way as we've already described. Select the Reports button to display a standard Club Express report wizard. The system lists a number of reports on open log entries. Select the report and click Next. Then select the report title and output format and click Run Report to display your report. Note that reports can be output in the CSV data format, so they can be imported into other programs, typically a spreadsheet. If you want the data for closed contacts, click the Exports button. Specify the date range and click Export to generate a CSV file in your browser's download folder. Or you can click Cancel to close the dialog without exporting. To view the contact log entries for non-members, go to the Control Panel, Non-Member Database. Use the search options to limit which non-members are shown, or just click the Search button to display the whole list. To display the contact log screen for a non-member, click the Maintain link and select Log from the pop-up menu. The resulting screen is identical to the log screen for a member. The non-member database screen also has an Open Log Entries button. Clicking it displays the same screen that we looked at for members, but this time showing Open Log Entries only for non-members. All of the other buttons and functions are the same. So now you've seen how to log and manage contacts with members and non-members. Please review the companion videos that cover the range of features available for aging in place villages. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.